Hey friends, welcome to the BK Beauty headquarters in Austin, Texas. I am so honored to share with you guys our office. This video is a long time coming, but come inside, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So when you first step into our office, this is our little lobby, and this is probably my favorite part of the office because of just the kind of vibe that it gives. We hired a local artist to paint a mural. I knew when we came into the office that I wanted people that walked into our office to really know what we were all about. So we came up with the quote of "being kind is beautiful," and she came in and painted this mural, and I just think it's so beautiful. We like to take pictures in front of it, and it just, I don't know, it just kind of lifts me up and cheers me up every time I walk into the office. I also have some of my favorite makeup artistry books on the little coffee tables in our entryway. Some of these books I've had for over 20 years. I remember being like 19 or 20 years old and going and picking up these Kevin Aucoin books. I still even have the original tab marks on these pages. Kevin Aucoin is one of the greatest makeup artists I feel of all time, and these books are such a great, beautiful, visually and very informative books on makeup artistry. So we have these here just for anyone that wants to find some inspiration and learn more about the artistry of makeup. And then on this corner of our lobby, we have our ivy wall with our BK Beauty neon sign. And this was a fun spot. I wanted to have some fun places to take pictures in our office, and I just think that this is just a great photo op and backdrop. Fun little fact about this office: when we first moved in, it actually had walls enclosed in the front of the office, so we knocked that down to just kind of open the space up a little bit more, have it more open and inviting, and give us some more opportunity to create kind of the space of our dreams. So we did that. All the pieces around the office that you'll see, all the decor, the chairs, the floral, all the little vases, we sourced all online from places like Z Gallery and Wayfair and the different online retailers. I will see what we still can find online, and I'll have them linked down below if you are interested or curious about anything that we have. Another fun fact about the decor in the office: I was a little overwhelmed when we first moved in because we have a lot of shelving in the main office, and I just got overwhelmed with the idea of trying to style and decorate that. But my sister-in-law is an interior designer, so she helped us with that project, so that was super helpful. Then on this wall, you might remember this if you ever saw our original office. We have this giant wall decal from the Holste company. This is the Holste Manifesto, and I won't read it all now to you, but if you get a chance, visit their website and read this. I love it, and I find it so inspiring. And we actually took this from our old office, and I felt like this wall was the perfect place because it's the first thing I see when I walk out of my main office, and it's the first thing that our social media team sees when they're walking to their office, and I think it's just a good mantra to kind of live your life by. So in this corner of the office, we have our social media team, Lyric and Sophia. Lyric and Sophia are the newest members to the BK Beauty team. They joined us a little under 2 months ago, but they hit the ground running, and I feel like you guys have already been here for 5 or 6 months. So Lyric works on creative content, so a lot of what you see on our TikTok or Instagram account, Lyric is the talent behind that. And then Sophia is really our influencer relations point of person, so she helps develop those relationships and make sure that our influencers and brand ambassadors have everything they need. So what are you guys working on today?
Yeah, reaching out to content creators and sharing our products with them, and then a little bit on the content calendar, getting some fun content out there for you guys.
I am all over TikTok today, so engaging with accounts on TikTok and working on editing videos and some fun content. So
yay, awesome. And then you walk into our main office. This is where Paul offices, Andre, who is behind the camera, but I will get him in front of the camera at this video. And then myself and Michelle, we office out of here. What I love about this space, originally when we were looking at office spaces, I really wanted to find an old charming house downtown. If you've ever visited Austin, Texas, you know those cute old style homes that you'll find in Central Austin, and we just couldn't find anything that was really a good fit. What I love about this space is you kind of get a little bit of that vibe. We have a fireplace, a brick fireplace here, which unfortunately is covered up by a lot of our boxes that we have, pre-made and ready to go. But then we have these shelves here. It just gives me the vibe and feeling of a home, very cozy, inviting, and warm. So I really like that. We kind of played with the idea of painting the brick when we first moved in, painting it all white. And surprisingly, our landlord was open to that. But after I put a poll on Instagram, and I actually got a lot of feedback from you guys telling me not to touch the brick, to leave it alone. So we ended up leaving it, as it is. But I love the way that the shelves came out. This was an area that my sister-in-law really helped me style. We measured everything. I sent her all the measurements, and she did all the shopping and sent me, all the links to order everything. And I love how it all came out. This picture right here is, fun fact about this photo, this was one of the very first professional photos we took of our first 9-piece collection when we launched back in 2019. These were the original 9-piece BK Beauty brushes that started our brand. And we have the famous 101 there, which I think, without a doubt is kind of what we are known for. So I wanted to have that photo right here. I still remember being with the photographer stylizing this shot. You'd be surprised. It looks like a simple shot to style, but it's very challenging shooting makeup brushes. So this was a fun photo that was important for me to have on the mantle. And then here we have Paul and Andre's desk. Paul and I kind of flip-flop. He's working from home today, so I'm in the office. We kind of rotate now that we have Mila. It's like having a brand new child. So he's at home working today with her. Then we have Andre. Andre is editing one of my videos today. He's actually working on a day in my life vlog. And then over here is my desk. I am usually the desk with the biggest mess. I am actually placing a Sephora order right now for a campaign that I have with Sephora coming up in a few months for their VIB sale. So I'm kind of shopping and figuring out what products I want to feature in that video. And you might notice, I probably should mention why we have boxes stacked all over the office. We, like to just have supplies on hand whenever we have promotions or sales or events. We kind of have our standard normal volume of orders, but when there's an event or a launch day, that multiplies significantly. So we like to kind of have, boxes and supplies ready so that we can fulfill orders as quick and as fast as we can and get them out. If you've ever ordered from us, you probably know that we ship out really fast. You might place an order and get a shipping notification within a couple hours, or we try and really strive for within 24 to 48 hours. So being prepared in advance is hugely important. So then you walk into the main hallway, and we have a little kind of like mini bar / kitchen area. We have lots of snacks on hand. If you ever come and visit our office, you will not be left hungry. Lots of candy, lots of chocolate, lots of Rice Krispie treats, Little Debbie cakes, and of course we have a few healthy treats here and there. And then we walk over here. Oh, before I get into the bathroom, I do want to take note of the photos that we have on the wall. This office space is, all the walls are white and it's a long hallway, but I didn't want, I wanted to make a statement in these hallways. So we took some of our photography that we've shot for social media and for the website and blown them up on large canvas. And I really love the way that they came out. I think that it adds some color to the office, and it's, very, just kind of like puts me in a creative mood. Okay, so in our bathroom, I know it's an odd place to tour and it's small, but I do want to show you guys these little graphic little prints that we found. My sister-in-law found these on Etsy. And what's really neat about these are actual technical drawings of like the first hairbrush, the first lipstick component, the first hair dryer. So all these beauty and makeup related items, these were like the original technical drawings. It actually shows you the year that they were designed, which I thought was kind of a cool, fun and creative way. I think she found these on Etsy, and then we bought the frames. And then we walk back here. So this is a small little storage area that we have. We actually have 2 other storage units where we keep the bulk of our inventory. So in this little area, we just kind of keep what we need on hand, and then we'll make trips back and forth to our main warehouse. And then on the left side, we kind of have a room here where we'll assemble boxes. We also store all of our boxes that we receive before they've been assembled. And then we have a full fridge where we keep, tons of snacks and drinks. And then back here to the right corner, this is our fulfillment part of the office. So this is actually where your orders are fulfilled. So this is Tracy. Tracy's probably working on customer service emails. This is Michelle. Michelle is probably doing the same. And yeah, this is where we fulfill all of your orders. So whenever you place an order on bkbeauty.com, it is fulfilled right here. And this last room over here is kind of like our content room. Initially, the idea was that this would be a place where we film and shoot a lot of content, video, photography, and we've used it for that. We've also found that on the days that we have like launches or promotions and we are like all hands on deck, this becomes like a second fulfillment room. So even though we have, you know, all the equipment to film and shoot, we kind of keep it off to the corner so that we can kind of utilize this room as we need it for the day. And that is our office. That is our BK Beauty headquarters. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to express my gratitude and thank you all for supporting BK Beauty, supporting me over the years. You know, none of this would be possible without you, and I am so grateful for that. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.